What up guys, this is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go to and or cancel your Play Store subscriptions from your PC. This is No Filter Reviews. Hit the subscribe button. Once you have a browser open, you're going to want to search for Google Play Store. Then you'll click on it. Then what you do is sign in. This is where I can't help you. So this is going to be the same login you use to get into the Google Play Store. Sign in. In the bottom left hand corner you'll see My Subscriptions. You'll click on it. This will bring up your subscriptions. Then you'll click on the little blue icon here. This will allow you to change it. And then what you'll do is you'll click Cancel Subscription. And then once you click the blue button, it'll cancel your subscription. So this is all there is to it. It's very simple, pretty cut and dry, but this is how you do it from PC. I hope this video is beneficial to you. Please subscribe and have a great day.